This is Kashif Mahmood and welcome back to KM Webverse with another video. In this video I will tell you how you can change site title and meta description in Shopify. So here you can see the site title, focal artistry, and here you can see the site title as well. So I want to make it correct and want to match it with the domain name. So for that I will go to the dashboard, and by the way, when we visit the store, then here we see the site title as well, so we will change that thing as well. So to change that, we will need to go to the online store, and here we will have to go to preferences, and here you can see the home page title. So we can change this title, and we can change the site name from the meta description as well. And then here we can click on save, and now let's go back to the website and refresh. You can press Ctrl Shift and R to clear cache and refresh. So here you can see that the name is changed. On Google it can take a few days to update our site name and site description. When it will recrawl our website, then you will be able to see the changes over here in a few days maybe. So that's it for the video. Like this video and leave a comment so my video will be reached to more viewers, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.